Good morning students. This class we are going to learn product to sum and sum to product identities. Already you know some of the identities. Sin A plus B, what's the formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So we use this identities. We can easily derive the following product to sum identities. Okay, product to sum identities. Now we find out sin A cos B value. Listen, how will you find out that value? Use first two identities, sin A plus B and sin A minus B. We add these two formulas. We get sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B plus sin A cos B is 2 times sin A cos B. This one is positive and then this is negative term. So these two terms are cancelled. So we want sin A cos B value. So we take this 2 is left side. So 1 by 2 into sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is the formula, new formula. Okay. Sin A cos B is 1 by 2 into sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This like you complete the other functions also. So cos A sin B is 1 by 2 into sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Find out the subtraction of the term. We get cos A sin B. And we use the cos term, find out the addition cos A cos B. Then find out the subtraction, you get sin A sin B. Again, we use the same identity. Substitute A place C plus D by 2 and B place C minus D by 2. We get sum of the identities also. Substitute this A place C plus D by 2 and B place C minus D by 2. So the substitution part is sin C plus D by 2 plus C minus D by 2 is equal to sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 plus cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Simplify the left hand side. Only simplify left hand side. Right hand side you write the same values. So sin C plus, here the denominator values are equal. So we add the numerator. C plus D plus C minus D. So plus D minus D cancelled. C plus C is 2C. So 2C by 2 we get sin C. So left hand side simplification value is sin C. Right side you write all the terms. Okay. This like you complete sin D value. Substitute A and B value in this equation. A is C plus D by 2 and B is C minus D by 2. Substitute here we get sin D is equal to sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 minus cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Now we add this two equation, sin C and sin D. We add, we get 2 times sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay, we add the two values sin C plus sin D. We get right side 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So we use the same procedure. Find out sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. And cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 and sin D minus C by 2. You see the identity 3.15. Prove that sin 60 degree minus A sin 60 degree plus A is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. You see the proof of this identity. Take the left hand side. Left hand side is sin 60 degree minus A. Combined and write sin 60 degree plus A and sin A. Okay. So sin A sin B. What's the formula? Sin A sin B is 1 by 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay. Substitute this formula. A place you substitute 60 degree and B place substitute A. So 1 by 2 into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Write sin A outside. Okay. Then simplify this one. 60 degree minus A. We take minus inside. Minus 60 degree minus A. So 60 and minus 60 cancelled. Minus A is minus 2A. Minus here We simplify the term 60 degree minus a plus 60 degree plus a. So minus a and plus a are cancelled. 60 degree plus 60 degree is 120 degree. So cos of minus 2a minus cos 120 degree into sin a. Then cos of minus theta. What's the value? Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Because cos is even function. So cos of minus theta is again we get the positive term. Cos of theta. So cos of here we get it 2a minus cos 120 degree. See the value cos 120 degree. Cos, split the term, 1 into 90 degree plus 30 degree. This one is odd. If k is odd, then cos is altered. Cos is sin. So sin 30 degree. Check the quadrant. 120 degree is second quadrant. Second quadrant, all students take chocolate. So students, sin only positive, sin and cosecant. So cos is negative. So we get minus sin 30 degree. Substitute here. Cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. So minus of minus is plus. So 1 by 2 into cos 2a plus 1 by 2 into sin a. Then 1 by 2 into cos 2a into, we take sin a inside. Okay. Cos 2a into sin a plus 1 by 2 into sin a. Then one small adjustment. We want sin term. So cos 2a, sin related formula is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So substitute here. 1 minus 2 sin square a into sin a plus 1 by 2 sin a. Then you take inside sin a. So sin a minus 2 sin square a into sin a, sin cube a plus 1 by 2 sin a. Then find out the LCM of the denominator. LCM is 2. So you take the cross product. 2 into sin a minus 2 into 2 is 4 sin cube a plus sin a by 2. Now this 2 into 2 is, we get 4. So 1 by 4 into 2 sin a plus sin a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is the formula of sin 3a. Here sin 3a, what's the formula? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So substitute here sin 3a. So the identity value is 1 by 4 sin 3a. So we use that identity. Write cos 60 degree minus a cos 60 degree plus a is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3a. Then tan 60 degree minus a tan 60 degree plus a. We find out the division of sin and cos. So 1 by 4 sin 3a by 1 by 4 cos 3a. 1 by 4 cancelled. Sin 3a by cos 3a, what's the value? Tan 3a. Okay. So we use this identity, complete some problems. Listen example 3.33. Express each of the following product as a sum or difference. Listen, first question, sin 40 degree cos 30 degree. Already we know the formula. 2 sin a cos b is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So take a is equal to 40 degree and b is equal to 30 degree. Substitute in this formula. We get this line. Okay. Then sin 40 degree cos 30 degrees, you take 2 is right side. So 1 by 2 into sin 40 degree plus 30 degrees 70 degree. 40 degree minus 30 degrees, we get 10 degree. So 1 by 2 into sin 70 degree plus sin 10 degree. Then listen the second result. Cos 110 degree and sin 55 degree. Here we substitute 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b is sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. So take a is 110 degree and b is 55 degree. Substitute in this formula. We get 2 cos 110 degree sin 55 degree is equal to sin 110 degree plus 55 degree minus 110 degree minus 55 degree. Then simplify the term. We get 165 degree. The subtraction value is 55 degree. 2 you take right side, so you get 1 by 2. This is the second result. Then find out third. Third one is sin x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Listen it. We know that 2 sin a cos b is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So a place substitute x by 2 and b place substitute 3x by 2. So 2 sin x by 2 cos 3x by 2 is sin x by 2 plus 3x by 2 and the subtraction of that term. So addition is x by 2 plus 3x by 2, what's the value? Denominator equal, so add the numerator, 4x by 2. So 1 2's 2, 2 2's are 4. So here we get sine 2x. Then this one, x by 2 minus 3x by 2 is sine x minus 3x is minus 2x by 2. So 2 and 2 cancelled, sine of minus x. Sine of minus x is, sine is odd function. Sine is odd function. So we get minus sine x. This negative sign here having. So sine 2x minus sine x. Okay. So sine x by 2 cos 3x by 2 is 1 by 2 into sine 2x minus sine x. This is the result. Next question, example 3.34. Express each of the following sum or difference as a product. Sine 50 degree plus sine 20 degree. Sine 50 degree plus sine 20 degree, we know that sine c plus sine d. What's the formula? 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So c place is substitute 50 degree and d is 20 degree. So we get sine 50 degree plus sine 20 degree is equal to 2 into sine 50 degree plus 20 degree by 2 cos 50 degree minus 20 degree by 2. Then 50 degree plus 20 degree 70 degree. 70 degree by 2 is 35 degree. Here also 50 degree minus 20 degree is 30 degree. 30 degree by 2 is 15 degree. Okay. So the result of this question is 2 sine 35 degree cos 15 degree. Listen the second part. Cos 6 theta plus cos 2 theta. So 2 terms are cos. Cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So c place you substitute 6 theta and d place you substitute 2 theta. So we get 2 cos 6 theta plus 2 theta by 2 cos 6 theta minus 2 theta by 2. 6 theta plus 2 theta is 8 theta. 8 theta by 2 is, what's the value? 8 theta by 2 is 1 2 is 2, 4 2's are 8. So 4 theta. Here 6 theta minus 2 theta is 4 theta. 4 theta by 2 is 1 2 is 2, 2 2's are 4. 2 theta. So the result is 2 into cos 4 theta into cos 2 theta. Listen the third one. Third one question is cos 3x by 2 minus cos 9x by 2. So the two terms are cos but negative sign. Cos c minus cos d formula 2 into sine c plus d by 2 sine d minus c by 2. So c is 3x by 2 and d is 9x by 2. Substitute in this formula. 3x by 2 plus 9x by 2, what's the value? Denominator equal, we add the numerator. Numerator is 12x. 12x by 2. 1 2 is 2, 6 2 is 12. Here we get it 6x. But 6x by 2, again find out the cancellation. 1 2 is 2, 3 2's are 6. So 2 into sine 3x. Here also we get sine. The subtraction value is 6x by 2. So 1 2 is 2, 3 2's are 6. You don't cancel with these two numbers. So here get it sine 3x by this 2. Okay, so the result is 2 sine 3x by 2. Listen example 3.35. Find the value of sine 34 degree plus cos 64 degree minus cos 4 degree. Write the given value. Use these two values. Find out the answer. Okay. Cos 64 minus cos 4 degree. This one is of the form cos c minus cos d. What's the formula? Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 into sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. Here we take d minus c by 2. You don't write the negative sign. Okay. If you want the form is c minus d, then you should write here minus. So substitute sine 34 degree minus. In this place you substitute this result. C place 64 degree and D place substitute 4 degree. So we get minus 2 sine 64 degree plus 4 degree by 2 sine 64 degree minus 4 degree by 2. 64 plus 4 is 68. 68 by 2, that half value is 34. Here 64 minus 4 is 60. 60 by 2 is, we get 30. Okay, so sine 34 degree minus 2 into sine 34 degree into sine 30 degree. What's the value? 1 by 2. So this 2 and 2 cancelled. Sine 34 degree minus sine 34 degree, we get 0. Okay. The next example, 3.36. Show that cos 36 degree, cos 72 degree, cos 108 degree, cos 144 degree is equal to 1 by 16. Show the value. Take the LHS cos 36 degree and use the complementary angle. Cos 72 degree is cos 90 degree minus 18 degree. Here cos 90 degree plus 18 degree. This one is 90 degree above value. So cos 180 degree minus 36 degree. Next you write the value cos 36 degree into cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. Okay. So cos 36 degree, you keep it the first term. Second term we get cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. So sin 18 degree. Cos 90 degree plus 18 degrees, we get sin 18 degree. Because 90 is 1 into 90. 1 is odd. Cos is altered. Okay, sin 18 degree. Here sin 180 degree minus 36 degree. Here 2 times 90 degree. So this cos is altered. No. Cos is cos. Okay, so here get it cos 36 degree. Then the cos 36 degree into cos 36 degree, cos square 36 degree. And sin 18 degree into sin 18 degree is sin square 18 degree. Already you know the result. Sin 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 by 4 and cos 36 degree is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So here square term, write the whole square. Okay. Then find out the product. Root 5 minus 1 by 4, the whole square is 4 square is 16. Here also 4 square is 16. Then root 5 minus 1 the whole square. What's the expansion? Root 5 minus 1 the whole square is, use the a minus b the whole square formula. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So root 5 the whole square is 5 minus 2ab is 2 into root 5 into 1 minus 2 root 5. This one is plus b square. B square is 1 square 1. So 5 plus 1, 6 minus 2 root 5. Then find out root 5 plus 1 the whole square. Here also we substitute a plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So root 5 the whole square is 5. 2ab is 2 root 5. B square is 1. So 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2 root 5. Okay, substitute here. So 6 minus 2 root 5 into 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4 square. Here also 4 square. So 16 into 16. Right in the denominator. Then the numerator is a minus b into a plus b. What's the formula? A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is 6 square minus 2 root 5 the whole square. So 6 square is 36 and 2 root 5 the whole square is 2 square 4. 2 square is 4 and the root 5 the whole square is 5. So get it 20. 36 minus 20 by denominator is 16 into 16. So 36 minus 20 is 16. So 116 cancelled. Balance is 1 by 16. This is the answer. 1 by 16. Next sum, example 3.37. Simplify sin 75 degree minus sin 15 degree by cos 75 degree plus cos 15 degree. See the numerator sin c minus sin d. What's the formula? Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So substitute c place 75 degree and d place substitute 15 degree. So c plus d by 2, here c minus d by 2. The denominator is cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d formula 2 times cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, same term. Okay. Sin is cos and sine. But the two terms are cos. Then write here also two terms cos. Two terms are cos. So denominator is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Then simplify the term. 75 plus 15 is 90 degree. 90 degree by 2. 90 by 2 is we get 45. So 75 degree minus 15 degree is 60 degree. 60 by 2 is 1 2 is 2, 32 are 60. So sin 30 degree. Denominator also we get 2 cos 45 degree and cos 30 degree. Here 2 and 2 cancelled. Cos 45 degree cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Theta place you write 30 degree. Okay. So tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree value is tabular column value 1 by root 3. This is the answer. Last question. Example 3.38. Show that cos 10 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 50 degree, cos 70 degree is equal to 3 by 16. So cos 30 degree you know the value. Then take out. Remaining terms you join and write. Because you know the cos 30 degree value. So keep it outside. Balance terms write in bracket inside. One small adjustment. 10 degree is write cos 10 degree. Cos 50 degree is 60 degree minus 10 degree. And 70 degree is 60 degree plus 10 degree. Okay. Highest values change and write. So this term is of the form cos 60 degree minus a, cos 60 degree plus a. What's the result? 1 by 4 cos 3a. Already completed. Okay, the identity. Cos 60 degree minus a, cos 60 degree plus a is 1 by 4 cos 3a. So this a place you substitute. What's the value? 10 degree. So cos 3 is cos 3 into 10 degree, we get 30 degree. This cos 30 degree value root 3 by 2. Okay. Then 1 by 4 cos 3a is 1 by 4 into cos 30 degree. So root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 into cos 30 degree, root 3 by 2. So root 3 into root 3, 3. The denominator 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. This is the answer, 3 by 16.